This is a non-sponsored video of the Art Captain Cut 55. I just thought it was so cool. I had to go ahead and give it a shout out and recommend it for your garage.
The Art Captain Art Cut 55. Unfortunately, my audio cut out, so let me do this voiceover. But this machine hooks up to standard 120 or 240 electric. It will severance cut 3/4 inch thick material and clean cut 1/2 inch thick material. It's non-pilot arcing, which means you could hold it in your hand and press the button to start it. And it looks like a cool little machine. My buddy Charles just got this machine, so I wanted to review it and do an unboxing for you and go over everything. Everything's packaged really well, comes with everything you need, including an adapter cable so you can run your 240 volt or standard household 120 volt outlet. Of course, it has the cutting tip, about 10-foot length of cord for the cutting portion, as well as the ground clamp. They also give you air hose, the regulator, and everything you need to really get started. The box is really small and lightweight, about 16 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 9 inches in height. It's maybe 7 pounds, if that. The display up front is really simple and easy to use, and I'm really impressed with overall how the box feels. Okay, so we got everything hooked up here. I really like how easy it was to put together. We have some sample material we're going to cut for you in a moment, but I'm just showing the digital display, and the front controls are super easy with a knob to adjust your amperage power rating and get ready to start cutting within a couple minutes after setting up this machine. Torch tip and ground clip are nice. It comes with instructions, a whole sticker pack, which is awesome. And again, I just really like the aesthetics of this machine and easy adjustment of the voltage here or amperage that's going to be utilized to cut, with instructions right on the front to tell you what to set the machine to based on the thickness of material. That's a great feature, makes it really easy to dial it in and get ready to use it. I just want to call out, they sent some hoses and things along. I had to use an adapter to make this work with my shop air hose. So I would have liked to see a different setup coming out of the regulator with a quick disconnect for your standard shop air, but that's okay. Otherwise, everything went together pretty easy. Probably about 5 minutes to set up the whole machine and get ready to use it in my shop for some test cuts.
All right, so Charles is ready to cut. This looks like fun. Some test pieces here to cut up with the Art Captain 55. The little stuff does great on the low voltage, as expected. Didn't get to test the 240 volt tonight, but out of the box, it's a great machine. It wasn't that difficult to set up. Got it dialed in, was running a minimum air pressure of about 60 to 70 PSI once you're pressing the trigger and air's coming out. But it does cut well, and I definitely can't wait to try it on the thicker stuff that I have over here. But as you can see, I mean, that's 1/4 inch DOM tubing here. This is exhaust piping, which I was having a little fun trying to make a little image there. And then it cut through this 1/8 inch plate without any issues. For the size and the features and everything that comes with it right out of the box, definitely highly rate this item. Add it to your shop if you don't have one already. So if you want to learn more, go ahead and check this baby out on their website. Go to Amazon or any retailer to get this in your garage today. Take care.